Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day, everyone. First of all, I would like to show my highest respect and appreciation to the Honorable Lecturer Ms. Viviana, who has given me the opportunity to express my thought in this video. Let me introduce myself. My name is Azran Hadlata Sofa, a student at Win Syarif Hidayatullah Jakarta from the Primary School Teacher Education for Islamic School Program. Or in Indonesian, Pendidikan Guru Madrasah Ibtidaiyah. In this video, I would like to share my opinion on the school uniform policy, especially for elementary school students. I personally support this policy and I believe that school uniform bring many positive impact in the school environment. Let me explain more about my reason. Okay, now allow me to stand here today to share my perspective on something that might seem small at glance. Uh, in short, carries deep impact and meaning. The policy of school uniform for elementary school students. I fully support this policy. Why? Because I truly believe that a uniform is not just clothing. It's all tool of education that shape character, unites differences, and teaches students to live with fairness and simplicity. Okay, now have you ever imagined uh, how heavy a child's step might feel just because their clothes are not as expensive as their friends? Nah, school uniform are not merely about dress code. They are bridges of equality and character building, especially for elementary school students who are just beginning to form their identity. Okay, as future educators, we are not only required to teach, but also to instill moral values from an early age. One of the most tangible ways do is by supporting the school uniform policy for elementary student uniform foster discipline, confidence, and the feeling that every child is equal in right and dignity. So according to a policy released by Ministry of Education, students must wear their school uniform on designated day like Monday, Tuesday, and during flag ceremonies. According to the link national identity in addition to dress code, the goal is wise kid in a setting where unity is valued over social differences and appearances that not determine one values. Okay, and the next I want to share my arguments. The first is uniform teach discipline and responsibility. Uniform help children build daily routines of punctuality, order, and self-respect. It's not just about looking neat, it's about shaping responsible habits for the future. And the second, uniform erase social gaps. Not all students come from the same economic background. Without uniform, what they wear clothes cause exclusion or bullying. Uniform makes students feel equal and accepted. According to Stanford Journal, over 60% report less bullying in school with uniforms. The third uniform provide financial relief for families, especially with more than one child. Uniform reduce the cost and stress of buying many clothes. They are simple, practical, and reduce the pressure of following fashion trends. And then lower income families feel more secure when uniform are used. They are from Ohio State University research. The fourth, uniform reflect Islam values of equality. In Islam, worth is not based on look or wealth, but on character and actions. Surah Al-Hujurat verse 13 remind us the pretty is what matters. Wearing uniform teaches kids not to judge other by appearance. Prophet Muhammad SAW also warned against arrogance in clothing. And then, with all this benefit, I strongly support school uniform in Indonesian elementary school uniform should be comfortable, affordable, and reflect our religious and national values. Okay, just now let's see uniform as a symbol of unity, not as a limitation. Let them teach values beyond textbook starting from what we wear every day. Okay, thanks. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.